I haven't dyed my hair. I've been researching hair washing and hair care for more than 30 years. Today, I'd like to talk to you about. I have founded the brand Sipimo for many years, and all the products under this brand are developed to address hair problems. Do you often feel troubled by hair problems, dryness, frizziness, greasiness, hair loss? These problems not only affect your appearance but also undermine your confidence. In fact, the root cause of these hair problems often lies in the damage to the hair barrier. The outermost layer of the hair is composed of cuticle scales, which are closely arranged like fish scales. Under normal circumstances, it can protect the inner cortex of the hair and maintain the moisture and nutrients of the hair. However, in daily life, frequent perming and dyeing, exposure to ultraviolet rays, and bad hair washing habits can all damage and open the cuticle scales, causing the loss of moisture and nutrients inside the hair, and various problems will then occur. Our hair washing and hair care product is precisely the savior to solve these problems. It is rich in a variety of precious natural ingredients. It can deeply penetrate into the cortex of the hair, repair the damaged hair structure from the inside, and make the hair regain its strength. It helps to close the damaged and open cuticle scales, effectively reduces the loss of moisture and nutrients, and keeps the hair moisturized and shiny at all times. It can regulate the sebum secretion of the scalp, maintain the water-oil balance of the scalp, bid farewell to greasiness and flatness, and make the hair refreshing and fluffy. Users who have used this product all speak highly of it. Some say that their hair, which was as dry as withered grass before, has become smooth and shiny. Some say that their hair loss situation has been significantly improved. And some are pleasantly surprised to find that their hair has become more voluminous and their hairstyles are easier to manage. If you also long for a head of healthy and beautiful hair, why not give this hair washing and hair care product a try? Give your hair a luxurious care feast. I believe it will definitely become your beloved hair care assistant that you can't put down.